Today we're going to be demonstrating our 2-inch vac pump. This is a great accessory to your jetter because you can pump out water from basements or anything like that, any standing water, rocks, gravel, anything of that matter.
So this unit will pump at about 75 gallons a minute up to a 20-foot height. So you can use it for emptying all sorts of materials. It'll suck up gravel, sand, anything like that. And you can see how much water is coming out, about 75 gallons a minute.
In addition to pumping water, this vac pump can also pump hard materials. So we're going to demonstrate that with some gravel. We have a little bit on the ground and we have a bucket full too.